Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something awesome to share with you. The Agaro Regency Multi-Cook Kettle with Steamer. The Agaro Regency Multi-Cook Kettle is packed with features that make cooking a breeze. It comes with a 2-year warranty, a user manual, a warranty card, a main cooking pot unit, an egg boiler rack, a cake mold, a grill rack stand, a lid, a steamer, and the bottom unit. It comes with a large 1.2-liter capacity stainless steel pot that's perfect for bachelor meals and easy to clean. This is the adjustable temperature control that lets you cook your favorite dishes just the way you like them. There are a total of 2 temperature heat control options, Heat 1 and Heat 2. Now, let's boil some eggs in the Agaro Multi-Cook Kettle. First, power on the main unit. Add some water. Place the egg boiler tray into the main unit. Place the egg and close the lid. Increase the heat to option 2. Within 7 to 10 minutes of boiling, yummy, soft, fluffy eggs will be ready. Now, let's steam some vegetables. Here, I'm going to steam a potato and a sweet potato. First, add water and place the steamer basket like this and place the vegetables and close the lid. Increase the heat to option 2. Within 5 to 8 minutes of steaming, steamed vegetables will be ready. Now, let's make some hot yummy soup. First, add a cup of water, soup powder and stir well. Increase the heat to option 2 and close the lid. Within 2 to 4 minutes, yummy piping hot soup will be ready. Now, let's make noodles. Firstly, add a glass of water and increase the heat to option 2. Close the lid and wait for a minute and let the water boil. Once the water starts to boil, remove the lid and add the noodles, masala and give it a quick stir. Close the lid. Within 2 minutes, yummy hot noodles will be ready. Now, let's make ragi malt. First, add a spoon of ragi flour and a glass of water. Give it a stir. Increase the heat to option 2. Within 3 minutes, yummy, healthy ragi malt will be ready. This Agaro Regency Multi-Cook Kettle is a kitchen powerhouse that can handle a variety of cooking tasks with ease. Say goodbye to the hassle of multiple pots and pans and hello to efficient, delicious cooking. Check out the description below for the buying link.